family law for the last 26 years. Prior to 2014, the court was warm to other forms of marriages which are not registered. And what you needed to do is to apply to the court to find there is a marriage and then proceed to dissolve that marriage. That was happening for the so-called common law marriages. The customary marriages where the formality was not very clear and come we stay. Then come 2014, we have an Act of Parliament which clearly defines what is a marriage, and the marriage must be registered. So we are in a period of transition. The question being, what should we do with unregistered marriages? Why I raise this issue of marriage is because you've got to prove marriage before you go to matrimonial property issues. Matrimonial means marriage. So this must be marriage, property acquired during marriage. You've got to prove marriage first, then you show what you have acquired together. So if you're in a situation today where you don't have a formal marriage or statutory marriage, but you've been staying together for many years and your union has a look of a marriage, you still have to go to court and apply for the court to find there is marriage. After they find there is a marriage, now you can apply for your share of matrimonial property. So the answer to that question is, yes, you can try, but you've got to prove marriage first. It's a judicial process. It's an issue of calling witnesses. We're in transition, so the court is coming up with various ways of handling these unions that had a look of marriage. You may be lucky, you may find a judicial officer who is persuaded that your union is a marriage. But there are some people who will fall out of the path simply because maybe their unions in terms of look, you don't have that element of marriage.